Hi guys, welcome to my new video. I am Striker, as you know that. I am cheerful to be present in this video with you all. In this video, I'm going to teach you about 5 ways to say I don't know in English. I don't know in English. 5 façons ou kapab di m'pa konnen en anglais. I usually hear you often use I don't know. Mwen souvan wè ou utilize I don't know. Men je di a, mba nou tou 5 lot façon pou di mwen pa konnen en anglais. I hope that you gonna like this video and remember to subscribe if you are or if you didn't do it yet. Ok, si ou pot ko abonné, nan pe vite pou fè sa kounye a pou pa rate pièce vidéo sur channel nou. Yes, do it. Good job. I'm coming back. Okay guys, as I said previously to you, today you are going to learn 5 ways to say I don't know in English. 5 façons ou kapab di ou pa konnen, ou 5 façons ou kapab di I don't know in English. I usually see that you always use this sentence, I don't know, but in this video, I'm going to help you stop saying this sentence, I don't know. Now, how much money I can buy a phone? I don't know. How much money I can buy a car? I don't know, teacher. How much money I can buy or English book? I don't know. But you see that? You always say I don't know. But I'm going to help you stop saying I don't know in English. I don't know. Okay. The first one is I have no idea. I have no idea. If I ask you, Simdiu, how much money I can buy a phone and you don't know. Kunya wabdim, ubabdim, I don't know. Encore abdi, I have no idea. I have no idea. Si ubable di I don't know, ukababdi, I have no idea. If you don't want to say idea, si ubable di idea, ukababdi clue. Yeah, you can say I have no clue. I have no clue or I have no idea. Okay, now the second one is deuxième façon ou capable di m'pa konnen en anglais. You can say I can't help you there. I can't help you. I can't help you there. If I say how much money I can buy a car, combien kob m'kapab achete une machine? And you don't know. Don't say I don't know. Si ou pa konnen, kounya di oh, I can't help you there. I can't help you there. Can't is the contraction of cannot. I can say I cannot help you there. And then in here, in the board, I have I can't help you there. How much money I can buy a marker? I can't help you there. Troisième façon, l'informel. The third way is informal. You can say beats me. Façon ça informel. You can say beats me. Beats me. How much money I can buy a notebook? Combien kob m'kapab achete yon kaye? You can say or beats me. Beats me. Beats me. Beats me means I don't know. Okay. After we got 1, 2, 3, and the fourth way is I am not really sure. I am not really sure. I am not really sure. I am not really sure how much money I can buy or telephone. You can say, or I'm not really sure. Si vous parlez dire I don't know, vous pouvez dire or I'm not really sure. I have no idea or clue. I have no clue. I can't help you there. I can't help you there. And the third way is informal. Vous pouvez dire beats me. Beats me. Beats me means I don't know. And quatrième façon, ou capable de dire I'm not really sure. Cinquième façon, capable de dire m'pa connais. I don't know. You can say have been wondering. I've been wondering. Have been wondering that too. How much money I can buy a marker? And you can respond like have been wondering that too. Là on nous pose une question et façon de répondre nous va dire pas connaît ou toujours utiliser I don't know in English. But this video will help you to stop saying I don't know in English. Video ça va aller aussi fun. I don't know. Ou capable de dire I have no idea or clue. I have no clue. I can't help you there. Troisième façon informelle, ou capable de dire beats me. Beats me signifie moi pas connaître. Quatrième façon, ou capable de dire I'm not really sure. I'm not really sure. Et cinquième façon, ou capable de dire have been wondering that too. Have been wondering that too. Ça c'est 5 façons où capable de dire on va connaître en anglais sans que vous pas utiliser I don't know without using I don't know in English. But it was a nice moment in this video. I think that like this video and remember to subscribe for more interesting videos. This is your teacher, Striker Discount.